From features like director's notes, behind-the-scenes footage, trailers, and more. Question is, have you seen it? Have you heard it? Have you felt it? DVD. It's a movie on a disc the size of a CD. The picture is twice as sharp as VHS. The sound is so incredibly clear, you can hear a pin drop. It looks and sounds like you're at the movies, but you can experience it at home. And let's not forget, you can watch it in widescreen, hear it in different languages, choose from features like director's notes, behind-the-scenes footage, trailers, and more. Even watch a movie right on your computer. And rent or buy thousands of DVD titles available from these great Hollywood studios. DVD. See it. Hear it. Feel it.